Welcome to this video about the latest advancements in technology. Our world is constantly evolving, and technology is playing a major role in shaping our future. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most cutting-edge technologies that are changing the way we live and work. First on our list is quantum computing. This emerging field has the potential to revolutionize industries such as finance, healthcare, and cryptography. By harnessing the properties of quantum mechanics, quantum computers can perform calculations much faster than traditional computers. Next up is robotic process automation, or RPA. This technology automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up workers to focus on higher-value tasks. RPA is being used across a range of industries, including finance, healthcare, and customer service. Edge computing is another technology that's making waves. It involves processing data closer to the source, rather than sending it to a central location for processing. This helps to reduce latency and improve the reliability of applications. Cybersecurity is also becoming increasingly important, with advancements in security technologies, such as encryption and machine learning, helping to protect sensitive information and prevent data breaches. And as the world moves towards more sustainable energy sources, renewable energy technologies, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, are becoming more cost-effective. Autonomous vehicles are starting to become a reality, and they have the potential to make transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Digital health is also transforming the healthcare industry, with telemedicine and remote monitoring making healthcare more accessible and convenient for patients. And cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular, providing businesses with greater flexibility, scalability, and cost savings. 3D printing is becoming more widespread, enabling the creation of physical objects from digital models. Drones are also becoming more popular for both commercial and consumer use, and cyber-physical systems are integrating physical and digital components to create smart, connected devices. And big data analytics is transforming the way we make decisions, by processing large and complex data sets to extract insights. These are just a few of the many exciting technological advancements that are shaping our world. It's important to stay informed and adapt to these changes in order to make the most of these advancements and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos about the latest advancements in technology and their impact on our world.